Interesting street names indeed. Travessa do Fogo, Travessa do Cordoeiro, Travessa do Cordoeiro, Street of the Rope Makers. Imagine a street for making road. Travessa do Fogo, Guilhão. Em português, Street of Fire. In Chinese, Golden Dragon Alley. Fire and golden dragons, how interesting. Travessa do Cordoeiro, Travessa do Fogo. Oh, Travessa do Cordoeiro. Oh, Travessa do Fogo. Streets of fire, dragons and rope making. Streets of Macau with their street names. Oh, those street names, those damn cool street names of Macau. What a great city. Travessa do Cordoeiro, Travessa do Fogo. Travessa do Cordoeiro. Travessa do Fogo. Streets of fire, dragons and rope making.
Okay, this is called Travessa do Fogo. Just to give you a little context, we're going to be probably walk around this way. There's a lot to see. This kind of in this Patana area, and there's also other little courtyards that maybe I should film. But this is going to be our target street, anyways. We're going to put this up on the map, and then we'll show you exactly what it looks like around here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Travessa do Fogo. Okay, so this is going to be our target street right down this street. We'll see what it looks like. And then I also just kind of noticed that there's this little corridor in here. Might have to, it's actually called a corridor. I'll have to save that for another one. I'll do that one in a separate one. Okay, so we're gonna go down our Travessa do Fogo and kind of walk around. I'll tell you about this neighborhood, but it's part of this Patane. Patane was like a small little fishing village just north of the settlement of the Portuguese historically. So this would have been like a fishing village built kind of on the water side. Let me just see, it's all in here. It's kind of a cool space. So let me see, there's a little Cordoeiro. Oh, you know what? I have walked down this before. So when I came down here once a long time ago and there was a dog that's at the end. So I'm not going to get too close. I don't know if that goes around. That might be somebody's houses. So I'm not going to go too close. But anyways, this is Fogo. And then I think I'm also going to just kind of see this whole little Cordoeiro area and just see what it's all about in here as well. So yeah, this little Fogo, I think they're collecting cardboard right there. So we're gonna go back into that alley just to give you some context. We're just kind of in, like, these are all another time period of buildings that were built, and then our little alleys would have been, you know, another era when it was more of these small little village homes and stuff like that. It's kind of a cool space. And then let me see, Fogo was this one. This is Cordoeiro. Pretty sure I filmed these before. I was looking at stuff that I haven't filmed. I just want to make sure I can document all of Macau, you know, as it changes over time. And I definitely have filmed Fogo, but I think I didn't label it as such. So today I'll give it the label. Here's a little, and then the one that I'm more curious about is that little alley. So I'm gonna include that one in this one. And then let me just see. So I think it was I think our little alley that I want to focus on. Let's see. Okay. So this is our Travessa de Fogo, and then this is a little tiny alley called Corredor. It's like a patio. So I'm going to include this one. I've never been in this little corridor before, so we'll just see where it goes. Huh. Huh, okay. So it's a little patio. So, okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video and then just do a separate one for Corridor. I've never been in here. I'm aware of. Oh, and also it's another name, Kool-Aid. Okay, so anyways, this will be a new street. So that last one we'll just call it Fogo, and this is kind of the stuff that's around it, including this little Travessa here too and such. All right.